Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome to day one of the Advent calendar. But guess what guys, we've waited this long. So this is what I did. I got myself another Advent calendar, but this one's nothing to do with nails. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna open this and see. Now this is a Yankee Candle Advent calendar and I love me some candles. So I'm going to start with day one. I'm going to light it so, you know, we get into that Christmas mood. And then we're going to get into the Madam Glam. So there is day one. Let's see what's in there. Honestly, this is so freaking exciting. Right, what did we get? What did we get? What's in day one? What's in day one? Oh my gosh. I'm knocking my whole table over. So day one, which is there, it must be, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay. This smells nice. So it's a Yankee candle, so this is awesome. So we're gonna light this one. Here. Got a lighter and everything. So this is our day one candle, all lit and everything. So yes, this is going to be awesome. Now I saw these today and I just thought, wouldn't that be cool to put my candle in? It's not plastic, but the candle is actually sitting in something, so we're just gonna leave that there. Let's put it there so we can all see the candle burning. And then I got the scent. So, you know, I picked up these few bits today. Just, you know, it's Christmas and we're unboxing. And I got my Christmas hat, so when I go live you always see this hat. Look at that, this is close to glitter. So we're just gonna put that there. We're gonna get rid of that calendar and we're gonna get into the Madam Glam. Okay, now we all know how reflective this box is, so what we're going to do is take our time and open it like so. Day one. Now we'd already opened this, I did a sneak peek, but here we are again. We're going to open day one and I'm going to show you again what's in day one, because your sister has forgotten. Yeah, I literally did it and I said, you know what, I'm not going to take any of this in because we want to come back and be like, ooh, base coat baby. And I needed some base coat because my base coat literally has got drops. So yes, what a way to start the Advent calendar. Base coat, day one. You need it. Even at the beginning, you put your base coat on before you gel and all that good stuff. So we are loving that base coat. Now I can't swatch this, we all know what base coat is. I'm putting it back in that box and that's gonna go in there. And that is the end of day one, guys. I love you all and I will catch you tomorrow, day two. Bye.